Hello friends, my name is Suraj and you're watching Dive into Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you programming languages for ethical hackers. Now I have listed some of the programming languages which are really important for an ethical hacker, and I'll be showing you that why they are necessary and how you can learn them. Okay, so let's start the video. Here's the first line in which why programming languages is or are necessary. First of all, it makes you self-dependent. If you learn programming language, then you don't have to rely on any of the tools, and so therefore you'll be learning more and more of the programming hacking concept. You'll be discovering something new, and you won't be wasting your time in different tools which are not useful nowadays. Second thing, it will make you learn that how you can exploit a website or anything which you're hacking, because every website is built into some kind of codes, and every software it has got some codes. But if you know that programming language, then definitely you can exploit that website or software. Third, create your own malware. If you can create your own malware, then trust me, you are the biggest hacker of this world, because malware can exploit any system or any website anyhow, because it won't be discovered by any of the antivirus software. Fourth is improve tools according to you. If you learn coding, then you can understand that how Metasploit is built, how uh, any other tool which is built to hack can help you, and you can improve that tool according to you. So that is why coding is important. Okay, so now let's go to our third slide, and here comes the first programming language is necessary. It is hypertext markup language, that is HTML. It is easiest of the programming language. You know that you have been learning HTML since class 8 or 9, I think, because that is taught in almost every schools. And second, it is widely used for making websites. Today almost every other website has got HTML codes onto it, because you cannot design anything without HTML. It is the basic step of designing a website. Third, every website uses this language. You know that every website uses this language, and it is so popular. There is no alternative till now. Many people has got alternative, but still people uses only HTML nowadays. Fourth, understanding of tags, structure, web action, and more. If you understand structure, CSS, then tags, and all the web actions, JavaScript actions which are present into a HTML code, then you can understand that how this website is working, how you can crack it, and how you can damage this, or how you can help him. So let's go to the fourth slide. This is my another language which will help you, that is JavaScript. It's widely used language, and it helps to understand server-side mechanism. Um, JavaScript tools like Node.js and other, they are server-side language, and if you understand JavaScript, then you can understand server-side, and definitely you can understand that how the server-side works, and you can easily crack them. The third is JavaScript. It helps you build front-end as well as back-end. So if it can help you build, then definitely it can help you crack front-end as well as back-end. That is why JavaScript is important, and you have to definitely learn it. Now let's get to the other slide. It is the language which I have listed. It is Python. Now every now and then people uses Python. It is the most popular language nowadays. And guys, it is an open source language. Source means that many hackers might have created already a code that is working on a website, and you can take that code, learn from them, and build another code that will be more powerful for that website. Third, it is easy to learn. Almost everywhere you can find tutorials of Python. And the last is tons of libraries. There are so many libraries listed on this programming language, almost tons of them, and you can use any of the library which can help you really crack a website. Now PHP. PHP is PHP hypertext preprocessor. It is the full form, and it is a server-side language. Now I have chosen this because a server-side language can really help you crack any website. Why? Because if you learn PHP, then you can know what is server-side, how a server-side is built, what are the coding behind it, how it connects to the database. You can know everything, and if you know everything, you can find a suitable method that can help you crack that code. It is easy to understand, definitely it is easy to understand. And last is, almost every website among 80% of the website today uses PHP, because it is the best method through people can connect to the databases and front end as well as back end. That is why PHP is used, and it is really important for a hacker to learn this. Okay, now Java. You know that Java is everywhere, maybe in your webcam which you're using and the mobile application you're using, everywhere Java is present. One of the highlights is Java is robust, flexible, and reliable. Now, robust means that you can change it anyhow as you like it. Reliable, if you create a code, then definitely that code is going to work on every Java platform. Flexible, you can manipulate any code according to you, and you know that it is mostly used in mobile applications. Guys, when I was about 14 to 15 years old, I have been using mobile applications like Facebook and all, and they all were built in Java. And nowadays also, people uses Java as the mobile applications. People uses Java as building their mobile applications. SQL, structured query language. SQL is most popular database programming in which you can inject your code, and if you know SQL, then you know every type of syntax through which you can create a username, create a password. And if you know how to create a username and create a password, then definitely you might be knowing the syntax of it. And if you know the syntax, then if you try SQL injection on that website, then definitely you can crack that website. And guys, SQL injection is the most popular attack nowadays. That is why you need to learn SQL, and it is really important for you to be an ethical hacker. Now guys, that was all for this video, and if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video, and please subscribe so that I can upload more of these kind of videos. Thank you.